Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for spending the time to meet with us today. So we're here today to discuss our Paris hotel, Hotel de l'Etoile, which is part of Stillwood Hotel based in Paris. As you're aware, the hotel has been doing fairly well. There have been good feedback from the clients and from the market. However, there have been concerns over the profitability of the business, and I've been working closely with Greg and Gabriella to identify these areas. Now, to explain to you the status of the hotel, there have been good performance, there have been growth in the revenues in the past year, 2015. So the hotel has grown slightly in occupancy, has grown in the average rate, and they have generated 150,000 euro in 2015, higher than the previous year, and total revenue of 167,000. The hotel is competing quite well with the market, maintaining fair share in occupancy, very slightly lower than the competitive set with the average rate. However, the main concern is over the profitability and the bottom line of the hotel. Now, we worked and we looked at all the reports, and we believe there are 2-3 reasons of this shortfalls, which is mainly coming from the commissions paid to the travel agents, to the OTA, and from the loyalty club members who are being part of this chain. We've seen a lot of guests who are coming over and using their points to stay in the hotel. The problem is the redemption or the compensation from Stillwood Hotels on those consumed nights is quite low, being 50% of the published rates, and we believe that might have been displacing revenue and leading to lower profitability. Now, after looking at all the reports, we believe there are 2-3 solutions for that. So what we will start with, as we will see in the presentation later today, we will negotiate with the Stillwood Hotels. We will propose to increase the amount paid to the hotel in compensation to the loyalty club guests, at least in the high season dates or in the high occupancy dates, mainly the days where we are over 80%. That will help us compensate the shortfalls and will generate, like, at least we estimate between 300 to 500,000 euro, and that will increase the profitability. And we prefer to do that so we can maintain the relationship with the Stillwood Hotels. Alternatively, should that not work, then we recommend to probably consider other brands, and there are 2 options for that. We can go either for a soft brand where, you know, the fees are light or lower. We can still benefit from the GDS connectivity and the exposure to the market. And the conditions we'll be looking at is those who don't have low value of the loyalty club points redeemed. Or we could go for a good brand, and that's which will give us a stronger exposure in the market and higher average rate. So even if the compensation on the loyalty club points is lower, but then in the other days we can have strong average rate, which will again help us do very well in the bottom line. Now, we will go through the presentation. We will look at details into those points, and we're happy to answer any questions you have, and then, you know, we can agree together what will be the next step to take. Thank you very much, and we'll be back shortly with the presentation. Thank you.